Imagine this, it's the year 2030 and Bitcoin is no longer an option. It's the foundation of the global economy. You're watching the news and the new anchor say Bitcoin has hit $1 million per coin. But here's the kicker. You're not panicking. You're not scrambling. And you're not left behind. Why? Because back in 2025, you made a decision to act. Now let me ask you, do you want to be that person looking back with regrets? Or the one standing tall? Knowing you secure your future while everyone else hesitated. Today I'm giving you the blueprints to be that person. Not just someone who survived the financial revolution, but someone who thrives in it. This isn't just about money. It's about being on the right side of history. Let's set the stage. Right now, the United States is planning to accumulate 1 million Bitcoins over the next 5 years. That's the goal. But here's the reality. It's not going to be that easy. Countries like China ready, front running the United States, grabbing as much Bitcoins as they can, before the price skyrockets. And it's not just countries, institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and MicroStrategies are stacking Bitcoins at a record-breaking speeds. They're not waiting. They're buying billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin while the rest of the world is still trying to figure out what it is. Here's the thing. There's not enough Bitcoins to go around. The supply is capped at 21 million. And millions are already lost forever. And when the richest company, governments, and institutions are fighting for a slice of the pie, what happens to the price? It explodes. Here's the beauty of Bitcoin. You don't need to own a full coin to change your life. Even just 200,000 Satoshis, that's 0.002 Bitcoin, can put you in a position to benefit from this revolution. Because Bitcoin is unlike anything else, it's a global, living asset that grows stronger every day, while traditional systems like the dollar and gold are slowly dying. This isn't just a financial shift, it's a paradigm shift. Owning Satoshi now is like owning land in Manhattan in the 1800s. Now I'm borrowing this line from Michael Saylor, okay? It might not look like much today, but in a few years, it'll be priceless. So, how do you position yourself? The answer is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Most exchanges apps make this incredibly easy with feature called reoccurring buying. You set it up once, and it's automatically buy Bitcoin for you on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly schedule. This is a game changer because it moves the guesswork. You don't have to worry about timing the market or stressing over price dips. You're consistently stacking Satoshis one small step at a time. Think of it like this. While countries and institutions are scrambling to buy billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, you're quietly building your position. And trust me, those Satoshis adds up. Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2017, when Bitcoin hit $20,000 and then dropped to $3,000, people panicked. They said, Bitcoin's dead. But the one who kept stacking, they're sitting on a life-changing wealth today. And the same will be true when Bitcoin hits $100,000, $500,000, or even $1 million. The question is, will you be one of them? Now, let's talk about the pace of adoption. Before Trump's recent announcement and the surge of institutional interest, I thought it would take another 20 years for Bitcoins to hit $1 million. But now, the timeline has accelerated by at least 50%. This isn't because regular people are buying Bitcoin. It's because the big players are diving in. Governments, corporations, and financial giants are moving faster than ever. And as they accumulate, the scarcity becomes even more pronounced. Let me put it this way. The US might want 1 million Bitcoin, but the price will rise so high, so fast, that even they will struggle to reach their goal. For you, that means the Satoshi you're stacking today could be worth exponentially more in the near future. Here's where we're headed. Bitcoins will absorb the market cap of gold. It will challenge the dominance of the US dollar, and it will become the global reserve currency. This isn't speculations, it's already happening. In the next few years, you'll see headlines like Bitcoin hit $1 million, nation rush to accumulate Bitcoin, hyper Bitcoinization is here. And you'll look back at this moment, the moment you decided to act, and realize it was the turning points for your future. So what's your move? Download an exchange app, set up recurring buy, start stacking Satoshi. Even $10 a week can add up. The key is consistency. If this resonated with you, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And let's keep building a better future together. And don't forget to hold tight and stack it right. Take care.